Okay guys, you're welcome to the graphics training class, and today I'll be teaching you guys how to design a very simple birthday flyer. We have been taught how to remove background of any object. Now it's time to apply it. I've taught you guys the introduction to Pixellab. Now let's design simple birthday flyer. If I open up my Pixellab, I have to delete this so that everything will be clear. Okay, this is my empty Pixellab. In anything you are designing, before you start designing, the first thing you need to do is to get a look-alike of that image. Even though you don't have a look-alike, you have a sketch, because when the client tells you what they want, they always try to send something they saw before demanding that particular design, or they'll just explain. You have it upstairs in your head, and that will make you to go to Pinterest, search for a look-alike of that design. If it's a birthday flyer, you type in birthday flyer. You are going to see so many designs that have been designed by other designers. You took some of them and recreate that. Design is all about recreating. Okay, I'm going to bring up this particular design that I want to recreate, which is this. Yes, which is this. But I don't really like the model, but it's very simple. I don't want to. We are just starting. When time goes on, we are going to start doing other things. Okay, the first thing here is to bring in my background. Remember the introduction to Pixellab that we did. Background color. Click on color white. And the next thing to do is bring in my model. I'll go to gallery again. Look at this particular model that I'm using. I don't want any interruption. What else should I do? I increase the image. You see, I increase the image. If you notice very well, in this particular look-alike design, oh my god, in this particular look-alike design we are using, if you notice very well, you see something like a bra covering the first image. How do they get it? Look at how they get it. You get a shape, this type of shape, cover it very well, cover it very well. I have to do this to front so that I will know what I'm doing. To front, yes. Look at the image, cover it very well. You see, I'm done covering it using the same color, which is white. I hope you guys are seeing this very clear. And then what will I do again? You go over to your opacity. Remember what I tell you about opacity is how you want the color, how strong you want the color to be, or how light you want the color to be. You go there, you start reducing the opacity. No, not this opacity, but the second white opacity. Start reducing it. Start reducing it. Oh no, we have gotten more than what we. Yes, yes. Look at it. Look at the one we are recreating. You see it. We have gotten exactly what we want. What we do next? You go over here and lock it up. Lock it up. Lock this up. Not the one we are recreating, so that it won't be moving. And then what are we going to do again? If you look at this down part, it has a very thick covering. How do they do it? You can use shadow and can use shape as well. But let's make use of shape. You see here. Let's make use of shape first. We're still going to make use of shadow. Shape first. You see? Then let's make use of shadow now. We go over to sticker. See this shadow like sticker. What will you do to it again when you are done? No. Let's okay. Let's do it copy as many as we can. Using because so that we can have enough of it. You see? No, wait. Just adding our shadows here. That's what they add up there. I hope you guys are following because this thing is all white so that you don't get confused. You don't confuse yourself. We have carried everything along. You can see it. What else do you need to do? You see it. No? What else do you need to do? You need to bring, let's lock up everything here. All these shadows so that it will stop moving around whenever we are designing. Whenever you are designing, new creative thoughts will come into your mind. You will be able to figure out what they have done. Like this particular design I'm doing now, I've not recreated this particular thing before. But look at me now, recreating almost exactly of that. Okay, let's bring in our main image. Go back to your gallery again. You get the image. You're good to go. You see it here. See it. Yeah. You see, we are done with it. You can write anything you wish. So just write happy birthday. Happy. Let's just put the happy here. Let's put the happy here. It has a brown color. Let's give it a color. The color is brown. For a faster way, you do like this. Go over to the image. Pick that particular color. Look at that particular color here. Pick it. Okay. You see it. Then this thing is bold. You have to make it bold. You go to style. Make it bold. You can go to front. Front means writing. Let's use this type of writing. Yeah, it's nice. Let's make use of this type of writing. Then birthday. Okay. Let's write another. Okay, birthday. You see, you bring it over to here. You give it its own font. Look at the type of font you have. Go over to this place. You see, it's not this type of font. It's not this. 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 It's not a must you get that particular type of font, but if you can, please do. If you can, please do. And this something like this. Yeah, this something like this they got. You can see it. Something like this. But ours is in capital letter, while theirs is in small letter. But let's put ours in capital letter though. Then let's add our color. Remember, make it bold. This is bold. Yeah, as lantern. There is lantern. Then let's add color. Go over to color. Stay the same. Then what name? Let me just write lovely, but that is not the name. That is not the name. Actually, that is not the name. Okay, let's give it a color. Yeah, let's make it bold. Slant. Then front. Let's be front. It's good. We all are good. Can still put any other thing you want, but this is just for sample. When you are done, what will you do? You delete the one you look in designing. Then here is where you get to rearrange your work. Here is where you get to rearrange your work. Look at your model very well. Make sure everything is in order. Make sure everything is in order. Then look at your position. Everything. Make sure it's in order. Look, all things being equal, we are done. Look at it, we are done. What will you do? You lock up every other thing that is there. Lock it up. Then check again. Is there any correction? As a graphic designer, don't be in a rush to send to your client. Check if there's any correction. If there's none, then you save. Save as project. So let me off my data now because I don't want ads to pop up when saving. Save as project. Let me just write birthday baby. Oh, let me put girl because already I've had this type of design for clients, a birthday design. So that's why it shows it. Then write okay, save. Then you save as image to start. You see it in your gallery. Save as PNG. Don't save as default. Oh, I've saved as default. Please, it's a mistake. Don't try it. Never you save anything as default. Please. Then look at here. Save as very high so that when you are transferring it or when you are posting it in social media, they will not easily reduce the quality of that your design. Okay, save. Let's allow it to save. Yeah, we are done. We are good to go. I hope you guys will do more better than this. Thanks.